Mama, I'm really tired of what's happening right now. Man, so frustrating, infuriating. एक don't know what's happening. I'm not sure. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Wow. I should call this though. No shit. It's gonna reset that, but what about this one? God dang it. Should I do this? No, this thing is not working. Okay. Oh, mama. Why am I even doing this? क्या था 10 नहीं होता है ना? Game over. Da! Lucky for you, this is what I like. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, I'm really tired. I don't know. पता नहीं बार में क्या चल रहा हुआ है. I don't need this. Do I? What the fuck? Now I know what I was doing wrong. Yeah, bitch. For a minute we do that. Okay, we if the input element is disabled, then we do this. What we call is reset game function. That's why, like, what the heck is happening? And then we just return. We don't execute all this. S6, S2, and that's 63. Then we do that. Boom. Okay, we need to reset it again. This thing. Okay, so we want to enable it, so it's gonna enable that. And then we have a button something. Don't we have that? Button text content, and it's, we can set it to check again. Was it check though in the first place? And like, that looks cool. Let's do it now. Fine. The shirt 38, no. What am I doing? That disables it. Play again back. Yeah, this one is gonna show like that. Cars. It's just a comment. No, console log. If I do it over here, then it won't be a problem. 6 tesa, 45 tesa. Okay, and then we do that. We total rounds are 3, and again question number 1 and all that. Okay, let's do like 20. 20 is too, like, very. That's too much. We can do like 5. 5. It'll be 10. Yeah, just for the test. Actually, 10, 20 number is fine. Then I was gonna tag all this 10 times, 20 times. God dang you. 27. 27 this thing. It should be this. Okay, let's start it again. We selected the wrong option. We selected the 10 round option. Okay, 64. What just happened? Or something. Okay, 64 was the last one, but now we need to fix this. Okay, this thing is got it says that we got everything right, but there was like for one question we got it wrong. I think for that question, what can we do? We can just let the user guess the answer. If it no, if the user gets it wrong, we're gonna directly show the answer here. Alright, we can do that. Yeah, right. Because either you guess it or you die. Or we show the answer. Go die. Bum 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 ba da da. Nani? Why buts? Oh yeah, of course. Like, I'm just clicking on without typing anything, but okay, the score should be 0 as well. Aren't we resetting it? Score is over here. Though. We did that, but we didn't really update it over here. This thing was here. Okay, this thing is happening. Damn, 35k G read today. Picked up blue. Red today. Damn, that's cool. See that. I'm also gonna read that. Sleep time, I love working. Yeah. Let's go. Why are you working? Really? Do you think that? Do you really think that you were working? Yeah, my code is a pretty tough. The code is ass, but it is what it is. Working hard or hardly working, as they say. Okay. Then that's fine. I see that. What should I do? I'm tired. Yeah, this thing is not easy. Can I do it like that? Should I do it? I think static won't help. I need to do something. 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 Check. Checky. Okay. Can do it. I want to do something. How do I go to the next line? What's this? How do I go to the next line? Oh, who cares? Yeah. Wish that looks ugly. Ma. Just gonna make a new one, you know. Oh, shoot. You can't. I'm not I'm very bad at naming things. What the mama. Correct answer. War. Show correct answer would be nice. Okay, my names are stupid. What's the name though? We're just gonna enable this thing, man. We're gonna do that, all that. But that's just doesn't feel right, buddy. Nanda kore. Show kana. Show correct answer element in text. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Okay. My God, I'm Doko. Crypto. That's correct answer. What the fuck does this thing look like that? I wanna like. message. अबे यार इसको बंद करो ना. Correct answer of text element. We'll do the same thing now. बहन के बच्चे ही क्यों दिखा रहा था फिर?なんだよ。मैंने है ना कर देना है खत्म काम.ってさYeah, am I even doing it right? What did I even do there? Yeah. I think that's what's wrong. Yeah, what the heck is this? Bitch. It should be this. Yeah. Then it shows that. अरे यार ये ज़्यादा नहीं होगा क्या? I think it's the CSS. Is it because of the CSS? Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. You know what, la 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 la. Just we copy that because we are lazy. Oh! Batch. Oh, damn. That looks cool. Oh my god, I need to learn CSS now. I'm going backwards. Yeah. 10 pixels is fine, you know. How should I? What the? What's this for? God dang it, whatever, you know. It looks something. It is something. This 20 is fine. Lucky for you, this what I like. This what I like. Lucky for you, this what I like. Correcto answer. 80 or 80. Correcto answer is that okay? It's fine. Then we just move on to the next question. Fuck that. Oh, you missed your chances. Just like... Lucky for you, lucky for you. Set timeout. मेरा टाइम आ चुका है. Your question, you know, you don't get the chance. Like 2 seconds if they got it wrong. Wait 2 seconds. Sections. Oh, got the same thing. But like, you know, we want to disable that thing too. Input element, you know, we can disabled through, you know. Wow, you're not getting the chance. Okay, like that. Mama, kiddo-san. You know, that thing is that, mama. So that's one. Okay, what's this? How do I hide this? What the hell? Hide network. How do I hide this? Verbose default. Oh, okay. Oh my god. What a lame thing. Okay, let's see, like, you know, got it wrong. So you got 1 out of 2. Oh, okay. Lucky for you, that's what I like. 36, baby. 36. And then 22. Don't go on the rounds, gosh. I've played. And let's say, like, we got it wrong. So you got 4 out of 5. Yeah, the whole thing. Mama. You got this and this, but oh my god, that's too much. I mean, the thing is ready, you know. Yeah, the thing is completed. I just need to update these values to, yeah. Now it will actually generate the 20 rounds, and then that rounds 20 ですけれどもどこにあんだっけ、どこgenerate questions would be the answer. And the questions, total rounds, total rounds, total rounds, total rounds. Let's see, like, we're getting them wrong. Yeah, like 1 second is fine. You know what? Getting wrong. That's wrong. What the hell? Like it's disabled. Yeah, that's a bug. We need to fix it now. Oh ma. Okay, we need to change this condition then. But you know what? I think it's fine because we are not getting the chance to. I think it's fine. You know, but let's see, like, to question number that. My score is still that. 21 I can do. I got, that's 8 I can do. That's wrong, and then that's, 12 again. That's game over. You got 4 out of 10. Ikana. That's fine. Short body. Bodyですけれども。何でもあり。There. Yeah, we'll just wrap it inside a parent div, ID box. Baba. Oh, but you add classes too for that. Game box. How about that? Is that how you work with, right? Game box, border 2 pixel solid, black, it's already black, solid this keredomo, gray. How about gray? Gray looks better, I guess. And then we can have like border radialo, gladiator. Hi. This keredomo. Actually, I had a picture kind of thing. I want this thing to look like that. Come on, these scroll wheels, scroll bars. Oh, where is it? Why is it hiding? I think, oh yeah, I have it over here. Do desu ka? Do desu ka? So desu ka? Do desu ka? What the to know the pa 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 da 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 no 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 header, you know, header. I give classes, you know. Yo, is it yeah, oh, is it okay to name the classes with big letter? I don't think so. Oh, can't name game title, heading. How would my heading? What that? Baby, do you like that? クラスですけれども、ゲームボックスじゃねえよ。なんだこれ、なんだこれ、なんだこれ。What H one like that? Is it okay? Is it okay if I do that? Should I need to put that thing? Yo, I'm not sure. Background color. How about that, you know? Let's give a Paddington. What do you think about Paddington? I'm not sure what does it do. Oh. 20. How about 15 pixels? Width should be, you know, like 80%. 80%? いいのかな? Auto, how about like auto? With like auto width? Is it auto width? Auto. No, you do width like auto, I guess. You can do width to auto. I'm not sure about that. Oh, that was sorry. Yeah, I can't even do simple CSS. Actually, number digits, 2 digits, 呪術廻戦 Actually, we do need to give these labels. We don't even need any labels, you know. Rappers, not good. No good. Yeah, do we need labels? Labels, we can select it like that. Do. This thing should go above the rounds. Above the rounds. Round and round and round. Round and round and round. Round and round and round. Round. Score. I think it's fine. Yeah, that's okay. Oh, wow. Yeah, that looks ugly. That definitely looks ugly. Okay, let's do the thing now. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, let's do some reading. Reading, I mean learning, I guess. That's fine. But you got 0 out of 10. Correct answer 4. Bitch. Okay, okay, I need to send this code to my teacher, or he'll be upset. My teacher is very strict. Okay, sir, this is the code. Lucky for you, that's what I like. Yeah, I'm sorry. My teacher is an lucky for you, this is what I like. This is what I like. Smart. Hi, this is it. Yeah, we. Okay, and then we push the code to GitHub. I haven't done that in a while. Rally. Yes. Song. I'm sorry. Access existing repo. Lucky for you. That's what I like. Lucky for you. Alright, bana de re yaar isko bas mental math. po GitHub poだよね。たったったらたったらてってるてってるてってる。Let me check my GitHub. Should I include my GitHub in the description too? Well, there's nothing where I think I should. Daけどさ Rapples JavaScript project script why is it private? पता नहीं क्या क्या कुछ दिया तुम्हें GitHub oh sorry GitHubだけどI don't want anything pinned over here. No pinning. Pinning. パンタロネットですけど。ですけれども。How do you make it? How do you make it public? How do you make a file public on GitHub? I think I should need to learn this too. Sakiraka. Rakira karasa. Rakira. Rakitakira. Mental math. Adakaika mental math. Oh, I think I can do it from here. Do you have anything visual open code remove? Keto Sakura-chan. Sakura-chan. How do you make it? I'm just gonna add here. How do you make private repo public GitHub? Can you hear that? Go to your row. I see that. Oh, I see that. Oh, want to make it public. Yes. Ideas. When your phone is ready. I cannot use 94 だけど本だよねクロスってことさはいもういっかできたかきらどうだねあれどうだねपता नहीं क्या है दो दाने बना दाने thanks sensei. Okay, it's time to suck it up. Speed it up, I guess. I mean, speedo. Taking speedo. You're really welcome. Phew. Rest up. Arigato, sensei. Arigato. Ah, man, I can do that. Yeah.携帯番号。携帯電話。どうだね。待ってな。わかんねえよ。どうだね。Lucky for you, that's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. Ciao. Why does GitHub look like? どうだね。はい、let's go. After so many days, almost a week, we continue. I think I did that. I was just functions. Hi. Functions. Quite often we need to perform a similar action in many places of the script. For example, we need to show a nice looking message when a visitor logs in, logs out, and maybe somewhere else. Functions, for example, we need to show a nice looking message when a visitor logs in, logs out, and maybe somewhere else. Functions are the main building blocks of functions are the main building blocks of the program. They allow the code to be called many times without repetition. We have already seen examples of built-in functions like alert, message, prompt, message, default, and confirm question. But we can create functions of we can create functions of our own as well. Function declaration. To create a function, we can use a function declaration. Open folder. You're not here. What's this? Oh, is that get up? HTML and just some, func.js. We can do something this and functions. No console.log. Night destiny. But I can do it from it though. Tick tick. Tick 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 boom. Boom. Boom, Jenny? Yeah, of course. That's also that nothing here. Nothing's here. Scripto is here. Scripto. Fun. That's fun. Yeah. That's one thing. Hi. No, you say hi. For you, this is what I like. This is what I like. Taco modo. Just wasted 5 minutes of my life. Function declaration. To create a function, we can use a function declaration. It looks like this. Function show message, hello everyone, like that. The function keyword goes first. The function keyword goes first, and then goes the name of the function, then a list of parameters between the parentheses, comma separated, empty in the example above. We'll see examples later, and finally the code of the function, also named the function body, between curly braces. our new function can be called by its name. Show message. No, I'll just like it. Function hi. Java console. Let's just show an alert. Hi. The key for you, that's what I like. Hi. The call show message executes the code of the function. Here we will see the message. We will see the message 2 times. We will see of course. This example clearly demonstrates one of the main purposes of functions to avoid code duplication. If we ever need to change the message or the way it is shown, it's enough to modify the code in one place, the function which outputs it. If we ever need to change the message or the way it is shown, okay. Local variable. A variable can be declared inside a function in only visible. A variable declared inside a function is only visible inside that function. Let message. This. Okay, show message and then JavaScript. Outer variables. A function can access an outer variable as well. For example, this. And then the function has full access to the outer variables. It can modify it as well. For instance, username is John, and then we are changing the username to Bob, which if we display it over here, then it's the username is Bob. The outer variable is only used if there is no local one. The outer variable is only used if there is no local one. If a same named variable is declared inside the function, then it shadows the outer one. Okay. Declares a local variable. If a same named variable is declared inside the function, then it shadows the outer one. For instance, in the code below, the function uses the local username. The outer one is ignored. Okay, so here we using the local, like we declared our own local variable username, which is, and the value is Bob. This is declared locally, so this is Bob, not John. Okay, because it's, we already have our own variable, so this the outer one is being global variable, you can say. It's ignored. No, global variables. Should I die then? Whatever. Let's just roll it, function. Yeah, let's declare something. Let my car. My car is a big car. Yo, I don't know car names, so that's what you can expect from me. I don't even. I have no interest in cars. But yeah, I say hi to car. Okay. Hi. Okay. We can then have like, you know, locally, that's a global variable. Global variable. What you call a variable in Japanese? I think I've written over here. There was something. Hensu kana? Variable. That's what you can expect from me. A big car. A small car. A small car. Local variable, you know. Local variable. Okay. Okay, let's like hi message. Then it can be like something like this, you know. Like wow. Then my car plus hi, like hi, boom. To I need to fix my question. All'arto messaggio nanda pure. We can have one more alert, you know, which will show my car da kedo, yeah, we need to declare it. Say hi. Function declare, not declare, you know, what you gotta call. You're calling the function. Function card. Okay, let's do it again. Hi. Wow, a small car. Hi. A big car. Okay. A global variables declared outside of a function, such as the outer username in the code above, are called global variables. Global variables are visible from any function unless shadowed by locals. It is a good practice to minimize the use of global variables. Modern code has few or no globals. Modern code has few or no globals. Most variables reside in their functions. Sometimes sometimes though they can be useful to store project level data. What's happening with my accent? Parameters. We can pass arbitrary data to the function using parameters. In the example below, the function has two parameters, from and text. So I saw hi. Okay. we can pass arbitrary data to the functions using parameters. In the example below, the function has two parameters, from and text. Parameter from text. From text, like that, you know. And hello, what's up? Parameters from text. We can pass arbitrary data to functions using parameters. In the example below, the function has two parameters from the text. Functions show message from text parameters. From text alert, from boom boom boom, like that, you know. When the function is called in lines, asterisks and double asterisks, the given values are copied to local variables from local variables from and text. Then the function uses them. Here's one more example. We have a variable from and pass it to the function. Please note the function changes from, but the change is not seen outside because a function always gets a copy of the value. When the function is called in lines, the given function are copied to local variables from and text. The given values are copied to local variables from and text, and the function uses them. Here's one more example. We have a variable from and pass it to the function. Make from look nicer, look nicer, look nicer, look nicer, crooked. Okay, here's one more example. We have a variable from and pass it to the function. Please note the function changes from, but the change is not seen outside because the function always gets a copy of the value. When a value is passed as function parameter, it's also called an argument. When a value is passed as a function parameter, it's also called arguments. In other words, to put these terms straight, a function is the variable listed inside. A parameter is the variable listed inside the parentheses. A parameter is the variable listed inside the parentheses in the function declaration. It's a declaration time term. A parameter is the variable listed inside the parentheses in the function declaration. Argument. Parameters are here, then arguments are there. Argument is the value that is passed down to the function when it is called. So here is the arguments, and these are the parameters. Parameters. What are the we can declare functions listing their parameters. Then call them passing arguments. In the example, one might say the function show message was declared with two parameters, then called with two arguments from an hello. Okay. Unavailable to console. Shut up. Shut up, you. Annoying bitch. We can have like you know what, like, let's do this. Watch. Shut up, person in the chat. You're annoying. Alert is fine, you know. We can mute all this. Comment it out. Yeah. Yatta. Shut up, person in the chat. You're annoying. Tonight. Let's do it tonight. Default values. If a function is called but an argument is not provided. If a function is called and an argument is not provided, then the corresponding value becomes undefined. For instance, the aforementioned function show message from text arguments, you know, arguments when we call, and parameters are there. Of course I know. For instance, the aforementioned function show message from text can be called with a single argument. Show message, and that's not an error. Such a call would output. That's not an error. That's not an error. Such a call would output an undefined. As the value for text isn't passed, it becomes undefined. We can specify the so-called default to use if omitted. Values for a parameter in the function declaration using like that. Okay. Chat. It's gonna use like that. You're annoying. Why is it not using that? Okay, I think it's gonna say this thing. No text given. Yep. Then I do that over here. You're annoying, undefined. God dang it, what's this? Plus you should be that, not that. In that. That's disrespectful. That's disrespectful. No, fucking man, I don't care. No. Okay, that's not an error. Such a call would output an undefined. As the value for text isn't passed, it becomes undefined. We can specify the so-called default to use if omitted value for a parameter in the function declaration, like that. Hi, now if the text parameter is not passed, it will get the value, no text given. The default value also jumps in if the parameter exists but strictly equals undefined, like this. No text. The default value also jumps in. If the parameter exists but strictly equal. Undefined, and then just message. Shut up. What's this? Function 29. But what the heck? Shut up. Shouldn't in the chat, you're annoying. Undefined, of course. But if we can do this, you know. Kalu. Tunuk tunuk tun tunuk tunuk tun tunuk tunuk tun tarara. Kalu, you're annoying. Actually, no one. No one. No one. No one is. Tick 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 da tick tick da tick da da. We don't want that. No name. No name. What am I doing? Hi, now if the text parameter is not passed, it will get the value no text. The default value also jumps in if the parameter exists but is strictly equals undefined like this. Like that. Here no text given. Here no text given is a string, but it can be a more complex expression, which is only evaluated and assigned if the parameter is missing. So this is also possible. Is a string, but it can be more complex expression like this. Which is only evaluated and assigned if the parameter is missing. So this is also possible. Evaluation of default parameters. In JavaScript, a default parameter is evaluated every time the function is called without the respective parameter. In JavaScript, a default parameter is evaluated every time the function is called without the respective parameter. In the example above, another function. In the example above, another function. Where is another function? Another function is in the example above, another function isn't called at all if the text parameter is provided. Only the other hand, it's independently called every time when text is missing. On the other hand, it's independently called every time when text is missing. Default parameters in default parameters in old JavaScript code. Several years ago, JavaScript didn't support the syntax for default parameters, so people used other ways to specify them. Nowadays, we can come across them in old scripts. For example, an explicit check for undefined, like no text is given, like that. If no, okay, no, shut up. If text is equal to undefined, strictly equal to undefined, then text becomes no text given, or using like that, you know. Text, either text is text or something, you know. If the value of the text is falsy, assign the default value. This assumes that the text is text equal to empty string is the same as no text at all. No text at all. This thing looks for the first truly value. No text, false. Text, wow. Yeah, you get this. Not this, you get this. Okay, yeah. If the value of the text is falsy, file the default value. This assumes that text is equal to empty string is the same as no text at all. Alternative default parameters. Sometimes it makes sense to assign default values for parameters at a later stage after the function declaration. Since to assign default values for parameters at the sometimes it makes sense to assign default values for parameters at a later stage after the function declaration. We can check if the parameters is passed during the function execution by comparing it with undefined or undefined. If the parameter is missing the empty text, or we could use or operator. Function show message text, that's our parameter. No, yeah, that's parameter, right? Yeah, here is parameter and then here is arguments. Hi. Okay, function show message parameter is text, and if text is undefined or otherwise falsy, set it to empty. Boom. Modern JavaScript ninjas. Modern JavaScript ninjas support the nullish coalescing operator. It's better when most falsy values such as 0 should be considered normal. Oh, if count is undefined or null, show unknown. Unknown. Mushy. Unknown. If 0 is that, you know, like, what if we have, what if we be like this? We be like this. No, right. Well, it has changed. Thing is being converted into a stringo days. Type of, I think type of, and that's it, right? String. Okay. I don't even need to. Okay. Function show count. Let's say if we had this. Okay, and we can just comment it out. Oh, nande. Okay, now let's say we don't have this. It's not defined yet, you know. Boom, 0. This undefined, of course, undefined. Then we can have, like, you know, we be like we be like What do I have? Baby like this. 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 No. No one. Okay. But there should be 0, not no one. No one. Undefined. Fine. That's also no one. No. No. That's why. Co-leasing operator. No one. 0. Okay. That's a 0 is a falsy value, but 0 is 0. Yeah. Mama. What does it look for? If count is undefined. Yeah. Oh, the nullish operator. If A is defined, then A. If A isn't defined, then B. Looks for a defined value, I guess. Defined value. Other than null or undefined, you know. And then we can. Arigatou gozaimasu. Like that. Should show the same thing, but a person, no one, 0, no one. Okay, for you, that's what I like. As a tree starts another similarity, we'll use a special term here in this area for brevity. Brevity. Oh, I'm not connected. Oh, I didn't know that. Returning a value. Okay, returning a value. A function can return a value back into the calling code as a result. Back into the calling code. बड़बड़ क्या करा रहे अभी? I just heard something. Lucky for you, just what I like. Lipstick लगा ली मैंने. Lucky. That's lucky. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Oh my lord. That's too much. 1, 2, 3, 4 だけ 1 2 3 4 5 Let's go! The directive returns. Returning a value. A function can return a value back into the a function can return a value back into the calling code as the result. The simplest example would be a function that sums two values. So return a plus b. Let result sum 1 2. Result. The directive return can be in any place of the function. When the execution reaches it, the function stops, and the value is returned to the calling code assigned to result above. There may be many occurrences. Return in a single function, for instance, like that. In if code, if is equal to or bigger than 18, return true, else confirm. Do you have a permission from your parents? Let age prompt. How old are you? 18. Check age. Alert. Access granted. Else alert. Access denied. Denied. I'm only 9. Do you have no access? Okay, 18. Access granted. Get the hell out of here like that. Now it is possible to use return without a value that causes the function to exit immediately. Like that. If not, check age. Okay, alert, showing you the movie. And like that. All that just for that. Yeah. Mendoksine. Person. Okay, let's not ding dang ding lang function. Lucky for you, that's what I like. Lucky for you. Lucky for you. Check age. Okay. Age parameters we can give, and then if the age is bigger, big, if you have big, then you get big. Or alert. Wow, my alert challenge. Nandayo through. Okay. Else you just what else be like alert, no, confirm. Did you ask your parents? Your parents. Like that. Okay, I'll be like no, and then we can let age. Just we can play with the age. Age stop. Wadi, like Wadi, Yori. Wadi, yo, age. What do you age? 20. What is your age? Be like boy. What are you doing? What are you doing here, boy? Lucky for you, that's what I like. So yeah, there's like if true, and like if true, if true, if code, false, else code, like, you know. So if we're just gonna call the function over here and gonna pass the parameter age, which, you know, here is argument, here is parameter, right? Parameter. Oh yeah, these terms. Stupid. That's just stupid. Who thought of that? Very clever. Parameter when you declare, and then argument when you call it. Argument pass with the function when it's being called. Yeah, so sta alert to alert access granted. I think I should use that, you know. Boom, like that. I'll be like, ooh, get the hell out of here, boy. Get the hell out of here. Out of here, boy. Yeah, that was cool. Get the hell out of here, boy. it didn't show. Yeah, it's gonna show now. Access granted. 2. Did you ask to your patrons? What's that, patrons? No. Get the hell out of here, boy. Yeah. That's patrons, Shanai. Granted. 3. Did you ask your parents? No. Get the hell out of here, boy. Bye, Johnny. Yo. Cha. Yeah. Yatta. What is even that?
Returning a value.
It is possible to use return without a value. Sorry. I should return confirm. Return Bethany. Returning from a function. Returning values from function. Bang. A key for you, this is what I like. It is possible to use return without a value that causes the function to exit immediately. A key for you, this one I like. Age. If not, check age. Return this return. Get the hell out of here. Otherwise, like it's just showing you the movie. Boom. We need to call this function as well. Where does this thing gonna get? If not true, then get the hell out of here. What's this? Why is it not being used? Huh? You just declared, but its value is never read. What is that? What is that? Get the hell out of here, boy. I'm showing you the movie. Can I show you the movie? I can show you the movie. Did you ask your parents? No. Get the hell out of here, boy. But still, we are just showing you the movie. Oh, what's this? Oh, data. Yeah. How would you read this? Why? Ah. Yeah. Oh shit. I'm so dumb. Provided but never read. Of course it's gonna show that. Okay. Yes. Access granted. Showing you the movie. Boom. 2. No. Get the hell out of here, boy. Did you ask your parents? No. Two. Yes. No. Get the hell out of here, boy. Why is it asking two times? Oh. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. I don't even need to call it, actually. 3. Yes. Okay, do I need to? Whatever. Who cares? Lucky. You're lucky. Shut up, man. How long has it been? 2 hours. I did 2 hours and then I did 1 hour before as well. What? 3 hours? Is it enough? No. Not enough. Not enough. With this space, I don't think I'm gonna get what I want. Lucky for you. Yo, it's completed, man. Yeah, I'm thinking. Yeah, let me discuss to my teacher. My teacher is very strict. My teacher is okay, I'm not saying it. Who knows? If he might hear me bad mouthing him, he's gonna beat me. Lucky for you. La 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 la. Ba 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 ba. Da 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 da. It was bad. Oh, this looks cool. Yeah, this looks cool. Should I? Maika. Maika. Iiska. Yeah, I think that's enough. I'm bored. I don't feel like it. I'm just gonna learn some Japanese. And if I'll have some time left, I'll come back to it. Yeah, I will do some more coding. But for now, it's gonna tsukapa. For now, it's okay. Alright, bye. Meet you in a Japanese stream. Bye.